Who is this, Aiden? Who is this?
Carrie.
Where's Carrie live?
Go Colorado.
Right. And do you know what the name is? That her dog?
No, she uncle.
No, that's her dog. You want to know what her dog's name is?
Bagel.
It is Bagel. You're right. Do you want to see Carrie in Colorado?
No, it's got Woody duck.
Oh.
It's got Woody duck.
Oh, she has Woody dolls? Say, I love you, Carrie. Okay, say, I love you, Carrie.
How Woody?
Do you think she has Woody?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say, I love you, Carrie. What are you doing? Are you making something?
Making something?
Yeah, what are you making?
Make a dog. Make a pain. Make a pain.
Whose foot is that?
Hit it up.
Whose foot is that? Is that Beckett's foot? Whose foot? Is that Aiden's foot or Beckett's?
It's so cool.
I think that's Beckett's foot.
It's so cool.
Let me see Beckett's foot. Turtle?
Circle.
That's a turtle.
Circle.